ATLANTIS, the Atlantic testing platform for maritime robotics, is an H2020 project demonstrating key enabling robotic technologies for the inspection and maintenance of offshore wind farms. In ATLANTIS, we have identified 8 scenarios where robotics could contribute to make operations and maintenance of offshore wind farms safer and less costly. This 4th scenario demonstrates underwater monitoring over extended time periods. One important application is monitoring of subsea power cables. Cable maintenance is critical for the offshore wind farm industry, as power cable failures can shut down even an entire wind farm. As subsea cable inspections are too dangerous for divers, offshore wind farm operators use remotely operated vehicles, ROVs. Currently, a manned surface vessel is required to provide the ROV power and control via a cable. This makes these operations very expensive. In the ATLANTIS project, we propose an innovative solution for autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, where a lightweight docking station is placed at seabed, close to the target area to be inspected. The docking station is capable of recharging an AUV for a multi-day mission. The docking station can also be equipped with a satellite link that connects it to a shore control center via, for example, a floating buoy. In this way, the operator can schedule and monitor surveys. The docking station enables downloading and transmission of collected data when the AUV is in docked state. When the AUV is undocked, the control center will receive limited information on the state of the AUV via acoustic signals. As a surface vessel is required only for the first deployment and final retrieval of the docking station and the AUV, the costs of these operations are greatly reduced. More information about this scenario and the project is available on the ATLANTIS webpage. Other videos can also be found in our YouTube channel. ATLANTIS, the Atlantic testing platform for maritime robotics.